In a bid to tackle deforestation and climate change, all Jamaicans are encouraged to plant trees.
It only costs $5 to call 1-900-740-TREE. Call now. We'll plant a tree in your name.
Tree planting is a popular solution for combating climate change. But many planting projects fall short of their goals. Though many projects never report the results, the few estimates that exist suggest anywhere between 20 and 100% of seeds and seedlings planted die. High-tech solutions offer a promising path forward assisting traditional reforestation efforts. Here are 3 ways technology is boosting reforestation. Finding the perfect match. To successfully restore a forest, native tree species need to be identified that will thrive at each unique site, not only today, but in a warmer future as well. If that isn't complicated enough, conservationists must choose from 70,000 plus tree species worldwide, and we know relatively little about most of them. But this is one place where technology can help. By combining advanced computer modeling and artificial intelligence with local traditional and indigenous knowledge and other reforestation techniques, researchers have developed models that analyze huge amounts of data on climate and soil conditions, among other factors, to estimate the suitable habitat for different tree species. Using these models along with climate forecasts, they can predict how habitats might change into the future. Then, AI can boost the power of those models by matching suitable habitats with tens of thousands of tree species at once. Further laboratory testing can reveal each tree's habitat preference and explain why different species are suited to each site, until conservationists find just the right matches. Smart planting. Planting trees by hand makes for a great photo op, but is extremely exhausting and time-consuming, not to mention the need to coordinate many people to cover large tracts of land. This is where drones can help by scaling up planting efforts, especially in remote, inaccessible locations. The latest drones can drop seeds autonomously along a pre-planned route. They can even work together as a team, with just a single pilot controlling multiple drones in flight. To give the plants the best chance in life, specially designed pots encase the seeds in a tailored mix of nutrients to help them thrive once they reach the ground. Researchers are even developing drone-dropped self-bearing biodegradable seed carriers made to gently drill each seed into the soil. This could boost germination rates by protecting seeds from the wind and hungry birds. Drones are already being used to help restore forests ravaged by wildfires in North America and Australia, and to reseed degraded forests in Kenya, India, and elsewhere. Monitoring made easy. Forests need decades to mature, so long-term monitoring is vital to the success of any reforestation project, but it's a huge undertaking. Traditionally, monitoring has been done by hand, measuring the diameter of each tree over time. But this is so labor-intensive and expensive that many projects only do monitoring every 5 years, if at all. But high-tech solutions could end those constraints. Satellites and drones can now be used to monitor young forests quickly, in real time and at a much lower cost, even at remote sites. The latest satellites boast high-resolution cameras, laser scanners, and other sensors that can help researchers understand how trees are faring. Drones fitted with sensors can fly low over growing forests to gather more detailed data. Down below, small independent sensors installed on each tree within huge reforestation plots form a distributed network. Tree growth and other measurements are then fed into AI algorithms that turn the data into insights. Satellite, drone, and on-site remote monitoring allow conservationists to make tailored real-time decisions to support forest growth. Taken together, these high-tech tricks could offer a major breakthrough for global reforestation. But it's important to note that planting trees isn't always the right solution for every landscape. Conservation experts say preventing deforestation must still be our first priority, along with helping degraded ecosystems regenerate naturally where possible. But not all ecosystems can recover on their own, so high-tech planting solutions like those profiled here could become essential in the forest restoration toolkit.